YouTube, I'm going to teach you how to clean your makeup brushes and sponges. Okay, first you'll need Dawn soap, apple cider vinegar, some dirty makeup brushes, and a mug. I already placed a half cup of water in the mug. Next you're going to take a few squirts of Dawn soap and then 1 cap full of apple cider vinegar. With one of the brushes, I already stirred around the mixture. Now you can place all the dirty brushes face down into the mixture. You can soak for 30 minutes or overnight. Now I'm going to show you how to clean your makeup sponges. I'm taking one of my dirty makeup sponges and rubbing it on a bar of Dove soap. Another trick that you can do is simply run the makeup sponge and the Dove soap together underneath water. Now that the makeup brushes have been soaked, I'm just simply running it under water to rinse off any excess solution. So the same thing I did with the makeup sponges, you can also do for your makeup brushes. For tougher makeup stains, you can take your makeup brush and rub it with your bar of soap. Once you are done cleaning your makeup brushes, you can lay them across the towel, evenly spread out, giving it room to dry. To speed up the drying process, you can take a blow dryer to dry it off. Once you're done drying your makeup brushes, you can place them back in their destination. And that is all. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.